Oil and gas operations account for approximately 15% of total energy-related emissions globally, the equivalent of 5.1 billion tons of greenhouse gas emissions. Many organizations are managing their greenhouse gas emissions for several reasons. Our intensive course covers the leading international GHG standard for entity-level measurement, reporting and verification, as well as GHG emissions management. By the end of this course, you will be equipped to gain insight of general issues and international protocols of greenhouse gases, acquire comprehensive understanding of key concepts used within ISO, assess controls, procedures, and data, learn effective methods for tracking, calculating, and managing GHG emissions, understand the elements of GHG inventory reports. Hear from our valued delegates who have benefited from this course. Discover how you can optimize your training budget with our corporate training program designed to offer exceptional value. To learn more about us, our training events and corporate training program, visit our website or speak to one of our sales consultants.